Virtual reality, VR, is a technology that creates a simulated environment, allowing users to interact with a computer-generated world in a seemingly real or physical way. Here are the key aspects of VR. Immersive experience. VR provides a fully immersive experience by placing the user inside a 3D environment. This is achieved using head-mounted displays, HMDs, with screens that cover the user's field of vision. Head-mounted displays, HMDs. These devices are worn on the head and have built-in screens for each eye, providing stereoscopic 3D visuals. Examples include the Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. Motion tracking. VR systems use various sensors to track the user's movements, such as head position and orientation, to adjust the visuals accordingly. This tracking enhances the sense of immersion by allowing the user to look around and move within the virtual environment. Input devices. Users interact with the VR environment using controllers, gloves, or other input devices that can track hand and finger movements. These devices enable actions like grabbing objects, pressing buttons, and performing gestures. Audio. High-quality spatial audio is often used in VR to enhance immersion. It provides directional sound cues, making the virtual environment feel more realistic. Applications. VR is used in various fields, including gaming, providing immersive gaming experiences where players feel as if they are inside the game world. Education and training, simulating real-world scenarios for training purposes, such as medical procedures, flight simulation, and military exercises. Entertainment, offering experiences like virtual tours, concerts, and movies. Therapy and rehabilitation, used in treatments for conditions like PTSD, anxiety, and physical rehabilitation. Design and engineering, allowing designers and engineers to visualize and interact with 3D models. Augmented reality, AR, versus VR. Unlike VR, which creates a completely virtual environment, augmented reality, AR, overlays digital content onto the real world. AR can be experienced through devices like smartphones, tablets, and AR glasses. Mixed reality, MR, a combination of both VR and AR. MR blends real and virtual worlds to create new environments where physical and digital objects coexist and interact in real time. In summary, VR is a transformative technology that provides immersive experiences by simulating real or imagined environments, enabling users to interact with these environments in a realistic manner.